My name is Max Firmstone. I go to Iowa City High School. I'm going to be attending Iowa State in the fall. I got tired of the standard classes at my high school, and I wanted something different that would also count towards some useful college credit. So I went to academic visiting day at Kirkwood, and you just got to see what all the academies were like. So I went to that, went to a few of them. My mom thought it'd be cool if I did something with engineering or building things. So I went to the advanced manufacturing one. I just kind of went for it. I thought it'd be cool to learn how to weld. So I thought it'd be useful down the line, even though I didn't really want to be a welder, and I still don't want to be a welder. I thought the skill would be really useful to just kind of have in my back pocket, you know. I designed a wallet, and then I 3D printed the wallet on a 3D printer as a prototype. It worked great. It was just a little cheap, you know, it was like plastic. And in this program, I had access to CNC machines. So I'm like, hey, can I cut this out of aluminum? Can I write a program for the CNC machine and make it out of aluminum? So what ended up happening was I wrote this program to cut out the wallet, the shape of the wallet, out of an aluminum blank. And then that program became we basically ran that. We had a production unit, and we basically ran that program through production. So we ran probably 100 of them. So we made 100 of these wallets that I designed. So that was pretty cool. I naturally like to work. I like to keep moving. I like to make use of time, because time's your most valuable. I mean, anything, you can't you can't get more time. You can't do any of that, right? So you got to use the time that you have to do something useful. And so this class, I mean, I had access to $1 million lab. This lab was, and to get access to that, you would have to work at a place or pay for it, right? But no, I got it for free. So I'm well, I'm here, I'm going to make the most out of it. I don't have much advice for a working professional. But if you're a student, I would say, if you're interested in something or just slightly interested in something, take the time to look into it. Yeah, and don't play it safe. Never play it safe, especially in high school. Don't ever play it safe. Don't just coast through high school or coast through anything in general. Try to make your own path. Don't follow the crowd. Those are things that I tried to live by.